Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can do it by using our contact list, and it will be useful if you've got only one number to block, or we can do it kind of manually, so we can simply enter the number in particular section and block a lot of numbers in a row, for example from the contacts. Of course, I'll show you both options, and I'd like to begin with the shortest option. So let's enter your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Then we have to tap on this info icon and pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block contact, and as you can see, your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages. So just tap on block, and as you can see here, we've got this small characteristic icon which will show us that this number is actually blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the more and unblock contact, but let's leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way to block a number requires entering the kind of settings. So it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the keypad. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. As you can see right here, we've got block numbers, so let's enter. And this is our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So in the second way of blocking the number, I've told you before that you can also use your contacts, but it will be useful if you've got a lot of contacts to block. So for example, you can pick 5 or 3 contacts in a row and tap on done. And as you can see, they will immediately appear on the blacklist. So it is a much quicker way if you want to block a lot of contacts. Of course, the same situation with the recents, and here you can simply enter the number. So you do not have to save the number you want to block, just enter it here and tap on the plus icon, and it will also immediately appear on the blacklist. Here we've got also the option block calls from unknown numbers. It may be useful, depends. You can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher, and if you want to unblock the number, nothing easier, just tap on this minus icon. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.